Hafade and welcome back to Ketungu. Let's learn Chamorro. My name is Claire Cabrera from Mount Carmel School and I will be your instructor for today. In this episode, we will be focusing on a Chamorro poem. Poems are a great way to get used to any language. Practice this simple poem with your child and they will learn various phrases. For the first half of today's episode, I will be introducing a Chamorro poem. Then, get ready for some testing to make sure that you fully understand today's lesson. Get ready to take some notes and to jot down some quick thoughts. Again, welcome back to Ketungu. Welcome back to Ketungu. The title of today's poem is I Tanok Ko Saitan. In English, My Land of Saitan. Gof bonito ikinahuloy adto. Sen malak kulan oru gilangi. Pumuzong isa. Anay pumare itsan. Sumendong kulu. Tinaka isang katan. Basta kisang itsan. Ani mang wifi manglo. Ani pangpanginaku. Tutunan sa huli diklada. Na estegwi itanoko. Saitan. Itanu refaluash zan Chamorro. Tafanatsu 1:8 para ilingwahimu ikuturamu zan itanu. Now in English, my land, Saitan. The sunrise is so beautiful. It is as bright as gold in the heavens. A rainbow appeared when the rain stopped. It was so big, it reached from the north to the south. When the wind blew and when the waves crashed, I praised and I declared that this is my land. Saipan, the land of the Faluash and Chamorro. Let us stand together with one another for our language, for our culture, and for our land.